Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making yet with another amazing tutorial. In this particular tutorial, I am going to show you how to add social media links to your YouTube account banner in 2021.
Before you start, open your internet browser, type in YouTube. Alright, after it opens, you will see sign in on the right corner of your screen. So click on sign in. Let's wait. So it says sign in to continue to your YouTube account as email or phone. So I'll type in my email, the one I used to open a YouTube account. Press enter so that your password. Click on your YouTube username in the top right corner of your screen. Select channel from the options. That's the first one, your channel. So once your channel has opened, click on customize channel. So as you can see, it has opened a new tab. As you can see from the screen, channel customization, we have layout, branding, and basic info. So we go to basic info, and that basic info, you scroll down, you will see links. So it says add link. So let's click on that. So it says enter a title. So let's click Facebook. So the other box says URL required. So you paste your URL. So let's publish it. You click on publish it, you will see the links you added to your channel on the right side of your banner. As you can see mine. So as soon as I click on it, it will open to the link I inserted in it. So let's open it and see. Okay, that's it.
Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube account. You like, you subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks, guys.